how to enable the voice mode in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, if you're also tired of writing long prompts and your fingers hurt, then the good news is here. We can finally use our voice in the Claude Code CLI. All you will need to do is simply enable that from your Claude Code CLI. So here I have my Claude Code CLI running right here on the Windows PowerShell, and I'm going to show you how you can enable the voice mode in Claude Code CLI. So to do that, the first thing after launching your Claude Code is that you go to a new terminal line and type in the following command. That is, you press / and then type in voice. Now, once you will do this, you can see that this particular system command will toggle the voice mode. So simply hit the enter button and you can see it says voice mode enabled. Hold space to record. Dictation language is currently English. So all you will need to do is simply press the space bar while you speak, and it will automatically translate and transcribe what you said, and it can simply accept that as a prompt. So that's how easily you can enable the voice mode in Claude Code CLI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.